Boys, it is finally spring. As a New York resident, now I finally get to experience all the seasons of the year. Yo, back in Florida, it was literally summer all year round. I'm low-key excited for spring. Not only that, I'm pulling out all the strings here. I'm gonna be trying out all these trends and letting you know the 7 best trends for spring that I'm gonna be doing, that I want you doing, that I'm telling you. It's gonna make you look better. It's gonna make you dress better. And honestly, your dull ass friends, yeah, they're gonna be left in the dust after this video. Let's hop into it. Number 1, okay, I'm gonna start with the one that I least like, low-key hate, go wide. Look, I do hate it. I hate it. As a dude that loves proper tailoring, this one goes against my grain, but it's all about getting outside your comfort zone and trying things that you would never think you would try. See, here's the thing with trends. You can try them. If you don't like them, you keep it moving. It doesn't necessarily have to define you. This is one of those trends. See, what the wide trend is, it's no longer just the wide full cut. It's going to full wide. Think borderline 70s. That's what was seen across all the runways, and that's exactly what we're seeing right now for this spring 2021. Look, like I said, this makes me a little uncomfy, okay? Makes me a little bit uncomfortable. But some dudes look good on this, so if I were you, give it a shot. Which takes us on to number 2. It's strong colors. No. And I'm not talking your washed out pastels or the colors you're used to seeing. No, I'm talking strong, vibrant, borderline on acid colors. That's exactly what was seen throughout all runways. And this is what I love about this. Not only is it gonna bring life to your dull, neutral palette wardrobe. Most of us just have blacks and whites and grays and blues. It's dull. These colors are gonna bring back life to your wardrobe, but more importantly, they make your skin pop. Find the right one that goes with your skin. Your skin's gonna look more vibrant. You're gonna look more alive. These colors for spring, they're popping, and this is where I want to help you guys out. See, the reality is that you and I, we're not professional stylists. You and I, we don't have the time to be sitting there and studying every trend. You want to know who can? You want to know who does have the time? You want to know who does do this? Stitch Fix. See, Stitch Fix has a team of professional stylists that when you sign up, they get to know you, your lifestyle, what you want, what you need, and what will make you look better. And then a professional stylist curates outfits for you that they send to you. That way, bro, hassle-free. You no longer have to go to the store. You no longer have to study trends. You get stylish trends delivered to your door easily. You try them on, you pay for what you keep. Anything you don't want, you send back. The cool part is that the more stuff you keep, the more affordable it is. If you keep the entire box, they'll take up to 25% off the entire price. That is 1/4 of the price gone. So not only are you gonna get affordable clothing, you're getting clothing that's been styled by a stylist like the celebrities do, so you look on point 24/7 and you don't even have to put any effort. So matter of fact, what I want you guys to do, if you guys wanna be deploying those professional spring trends and you don't wanna waste time going to the store and having to figure it out on your own, I want you to click the link down below, sign up, it's completely free. You're gonna take a quick little style questionnaire, that way they get to know you better, and then you're gonna get assigned to a professional stylist that's gonna look at your profile and style your first box. Here's the best part. If you guys click the link right now for spring, just because I want to make sure this summer you're crushing it. Think about it this way, yo. We're finally going back out. It's been over a year that we've been quarantined. Finally, we're starting to go back out. It's summer. I want this to be the best summer of your life and the most stylish summer of your life. So do it for you. Do it for your summer. Do it for your own personal style. Click that link down below, get a stylist, and crush it this summer. And here's the cool part. When you click the link down below, that first styling fee from a professional stylist, yeah, it's gonna be on me. It's gonna be free for that first box. If you guys wanna check out Stitch Fix, click that link down below. Which rolls us on to number 3. It's a mock neck, just like I'm wearing now. See, mock necks, I like to call them the turtleneck's baby brother. It's about 1/3 of the size of a regular turtleneck, and in my opinion, it's just more comfortable. And the cool part is that mock necks are a little bit more casual. See, mock necks come in regular t-shirt forms like this, so it doesn't feel as formal and or as stuffy, and it's not choking you all the way up. And here's the cool thing with the mock neck. They even come in t-shirt form like you're seeing here, and talk about sharpening a jawline. Since the neck comes up a little bit higher, it gives your jawline a little bit more definition. These pieces that you're seeing here, especially this pullover, Yeah, that's from Stitch Fix too. See, this is where Stitch Fix wins. You don't have to be studying trends anymore. Stitch Fix sends you the boxes per season. So when they know spring's coming, they're sending you what's trending for spring to make sure that you look good in spring. This one is a must. Number 4 is the kimono. This one's more Japanese inspired. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I've only had one kimono in my life, and I wanna buy more for this spring to kind of test it out. What I do love about the kimono, it's that like waist sharpening effect. It works similar to a top coat, right? Since it's this long piece of clothing that's uninterrupted and it cinches at the waist, it just gives men that perfect silhouette that makes you look powerful. This is a move that if I were you, buy one, try it out. I'm guaranteeing you, you're gonna like it this summer. Which takes us on to number 5, and it's workwear. Workwear, it feels like it never goes out of style. You wanna know why? See, most style, it's inspired from functional pieces, whether it's the military or the Air Force or actual workwear. Workwear is trending hard. Most of the major brands that used to be used at construction sites, yeah, they're used by hypebeasts now. That's when you know that workwear is popping for spring. And the cool thing is that anything from trucker jackets to flannels to very thick t-shirts like you're seeing now, all of that just elevates your style. It gives it more of a masculine, strong, rugged appearance. Number 6, the black tailored suit. Study the runways. Every major fashion house was putting black on their runways, especially tailored suits. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm not fighting this at all. I'm not fighting this one at all. Not only do I feel like the man in a perfectly black tailored suit, low-key, you feel like a hitman. You feel like a boss. I'm not gonna lie. Like a badass, but with money. And finally, number 7, it's the trench coat. Now, trench coat comes in different colors, shapes, and sizes. The point is that it's a functional piece, and it works like an overcoat where that long coat just makes any outfit look better. Whether you're just wearing jeans and a t-shirt or a dress shirt and dress pants, a trench coat will always level up your fit and it'll protect you from the weather. More importantly though, if you're going to go in with your first trench coat, like I said, it comes in different colors. The number 1 you should always pick up, it's the camel trench coat. That thing, it'll make any outfit look 10 times better. Boys, that's it for me today. Those are 7 spring style trends that I want you to try out this year that I promise you, it's gonna level you up. That's it for me today. See you next.